Salesmate CRM tutorial. In today's competitive business landscape, staying connected with your customers and keeping track of your sales pipeline is more important than ever. Businesses of all sizes face the same challenge. How do you manage leads, follow-ups, emails, calls, and deals without losing track of critical opportunities? For many, the answer lies in adopting a modern CRM system that brings everything together. That's where Salesmate CRM comes in. Designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, Salesmate is an all-in-one customer relationship management platform that helps businesses streamline their sales process, improve communication, and close more deals faster. Whether you're a startup trying to organize your leads or a growing business looking to automate workflows, Salesmate provides the tools you need without unnecessary complexity. In this video, we'll break down SalesMates by highlighting its most important features, explaining the benefits they bring to business, and showing why SalesMate has become a go-to CRM solution for teams in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the visual sales pipeline management. SalesMate offers a clean, drag and drop sales pipeline that lets you track every deal stage visually. You can easily move opportunities through your funnel, from new leads all the way to closed deals. Instead of managing sales in spreadsheets or scattered notes, you get a clear overview of where every opportunity stands. This helps sales reps prioritize deals and ensures managers always know the health of the pipeline. Another key feature is the built-in calling and texting. Unlike many CRMs that require third-party add-ons, SalesMate comes with integrated calling and texting. You can dial leads directly from the system, log conversations automatically, and even send SMS follow-ups. Sales reps save time switching between tools and never lose track of conversations. Every call, text, and voicemail is recorded in one place, giving teams a full history of client interactions. Another key feature is the sales automation workflows. SalesMate allows you to automate repetitive tasks like sending welcome emails, assigning leads, scheduling reminders, and even creating drip campaigns. Workflows can be customized to fit your business process. Instead of spending hours on manual admin work, sales teams can focus on building relationships and closing deals. Automation ensures that no lead slips through the cracks, which means higher conversion rates. Another key feature is the email tracking and templates. The platform integrates with your email provider to track when prospects open emails, click links, or download attachments. It also provides customizable templates so sales reps can send professional messages faster. This insight helps you understand prospect behavior and follow up at the right time. Reps save time with ready-to-use templates while still keeping communication personal. Another key feature is the advanced analytics and reporting. SalesMate provides in-depth reports on team performance, pipeline health, revenue forecasts, and customer engagement. Dashboards can be customized to show the metrics that matter most to your business. With real-time data, managers can spot trends, identify bottlenecks, and make smarter decisions. Instead of guessing what's working, you get actionable insights that drive growth. So, why is SalesMate a great choice? SalesMate stands out in 2025 because it combines power and simplicity. Many CRMs are either too basic to scale with a growing business or too complicated for small teams to use effectively. SalesMate strikes the right balance, giving companies everything they need, such as pipeline tracking, automation, calling, texting, and reporting, in one platform that's easy to adopt. It's also highly customizable. Whether you're in real estate, SaaS, consulting, or e-commerce, SalesMate can be tailored to fit your sales process. The ability to integrate with tools like Google Workspace, Office 365, Zapier, and other apps makes it flexible enough for any business environment. So basically, SalesMate CRM is more than just a contact management tool. It's a complete sales productivity platform designed to help teams close more deals with less effort. With features like visual pipeline management, built-in calling and texting, automation workflows, email tracking, and powerful reporting, it empowers businesses to streamline their operations and scale with confidence. Most importantly, SalesMate helps sales teams work smarter, not harder. By cutting down on manual tasks, centralizing communication, and giving managers real-time visibility into performance, it creates a more productive and focused sales process. So if you're a business owner, sales manager, or part of a growing team looking for a CRM that's intuitive, customizable, and built to drive results, SalesMate is definitely worth considering in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.